Hi. This is a quick start tutorial for PDF Creator for Excel, which generates accurate PDFs for your Excel chart and sheet. The accuracy is maintained by defining custom paper size according to the size of the content and thus avoiding scaling. I'll demonstrate the basic operations, step by step, to give you an intuitive feeling about how the app works. First, visit the subscription portal at uniformsoftware.com. Download and open the installer file. Click Install and wait for the app to be installed and launched. Visit the License Support tab. Make sure the status is licensed to your account. Open any Excel file. Select the sheet or range to make a PDF file for. Go to Boost Excel ribbon tab and choose Create PDF. Set the options for your PDF file. Click Create PDF. The result is opened with your default PDF program. PDF Creator makes accurate PDFs by defining custom paper sizes according to the size of the content. Visit our subscription portal at uniformsoftware.com and subscribe from Microsoft Commercial Marketplace for a 1-month fully functional trial.